Hello guys! As you may know, OpenAI has released a new large AI model, which is GPT-4.5. It is a very large model and has performed well on some benchmarks, including hallucination rates. In this video, we will test its performance for reasoning and coding tests. We will do a Python Pac-Man game test against Sonnet 3.7 at last. So let's start. This is a result sheet for these tests. As told, the test will have 3 phases: reasoning test, expert coding test, and Pac-Man game test. Starting with reasoning tests. We will use GPT-4.5 here in Po via API. The first question is the popular strawberry test. How many are in strawberry? It has given the wrong answer, which is 2. So it's a fail. Next is question 2, which most AIs answer incorrectly. It is from Reddit. It is a cracking code question whose answer is 3841. Let's copy the question and try. After writing a lot, it fails and gives a wrong answer. So, another fail here. Next is an easy, popular question. A father and his son are in a car accident. The father dies at the scene, but the son is rushed to the hospital. The surgeon walks into the operating room, sees the boy, and exclaims, "I can't operate on this boy, he's my son. How is this possible?" Well, the answer is mother. It has answered correctly. Usually, all AIs answer simple reasoning questions correctly. It's a pass. Next is this decoding reasoning challenge I found on Twitter. The answer is, there are 3 are in strawberry. Let's copy it and paste it into GPT-4.5. Waiting now. Fail here also. It is not the decoded message. That's bad. Another question from this popular misguided attention GitHub repo. At last, these are some riddles. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm taller when I'm old. What am I? This is a modified version of the popular riddle, I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm smaller when I'm old. LLMs sometimes confuse and answer incorrectly. Answer is generated. Tree is the correct answer. So, a pass. With this, the reasoning tests are complete. GPT-4.5 failed as it failed to answer some of these tests. Next up is the coding test. Let's try expert-level Python questions from here first. Trying this one. Copy and paste it into GPT-4.5. Waiting now. The answer is here. Let's check it. It is getting an error, maybe due to an old Python version. Let's ask it for a fix. Checking fixed code. It's a pass. Now, the second question. Let's try this one. Copy and paste it into GPT-4.5. Again, waiting now. Answer is generated. Let's check it. It's a pass. Next, copy and paste it into GPT 4.5. Waiting now. The answer is here. Checking the code. Not working here. Let's send it the problem. Checking the code. It is a pass. Next up is the Python Pac-Man game coding test against Sonnet 3.7. Let's try Sonnet 3.7 first. Writing a small prompt. Wait now. Code is generated. Let's try it. It is getting errors. Let's ask for a fix. Well, after 2 errors, I was able to get working code. Let's try it. It is working but has issues, like ghosts moving too fast. I can play it, but it feels like an impossible level. Next up is GPT 4.5. Using the same here in Poe. Waiting now. Code is generated. Let's try it. It is also not perfect, ghosts are not moving, the map is limited, and other issues. So, in total, both models failed to generate a bug-free game. GPT 4.5 failed this test as well. So, this ends the coding test. In total, GPT 4.5 is not a good model for coding or reasoning. It is a very large model and has different use cases, like therapy and more. That's all. Thanks for watching.